YouTube, what's the scene? It's your boy Chef back with another POV, and you already see what we got going on here. Big M2, man. Big G87, man. Sheesh. I just clocked out of work, so you already know. Let me give y'all boys a little cold start. You already know how this go, man. Cold start with the valves closed. Yeah, y'all, so I just got out of work. Currently about to go head home, head to the crib ski. Thought I'd pick up the cam, give y'all give y'all boys a little POV drive. Nighttime drive. I know y'all love these shits. Yeah. That's about it. Let the car warm up a little bit. When the car warm up, strap y'all boys to my head. Let me get this shit jumping, you know that. Alright, got the cam on my head, let's do it. Roll these windows down a little bit so y'all can hear these intakes. I feel like intakes are such a simple mod that gives the car such character. And it's an inexpensive mod too, like, you know what I mean? Woo! Not even a lot of throttle in the fucking car. You already hear the turbos. Woo! Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That's it. That's it. Rap. Alright, let's see. What's going on here? You died, bro. You died. Think about to back into that shit. Yo, also, just want to let y'all know something. I got a huge mod for the M2, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I haven't seen this put on any other M2 before that I seen. So yeah, I'll probably make a next video about that soon. Maybe this week, maybe next week, whenever I put it on. But yeah, I haven't seen any other, you know what I'm saying, with it. So, you know, that should be exciting. Make a vid on that, a little exciting. You know how we do. Do I have my real plates on? I think so, yeah. Bro, nah, I can't even tell y'all that. That's the story, you know what I'm saying? Just in case the police is watching. Police is watching in this shit, boy. This is all AI. This is not real, you know what I mean? Like, this shit is fake fucking news. Somebody made this on AI. It's not real, man. I'm trying to show y'all, bro. What does license plate say? Shays? Shays. Okay. Interesting license plate. Now what is that, a 540 or? I don't know. Is he getting on the highway? Sheesh! You hear them tingle. Shush! Oh my god, this road fucking sucks asshole, boy. What the fuck, man? When they gonna fix that shit? Oh my god. These intakes are amazing. I love them. Amazing mod. Hope you're not hearing too much wind, because that is not the goal. Maybe I should invest in a microphone or some shit to put in the, I don't know how they do it, you know what I'm saying? Invest in a mic or some shit to put so I can hear the car and not so much the outside. On light throttle. Damn, that bump was crazy. It fucking BMW over there did a little twerk. Boy, it was tooted up. Ass up, boy. Shit. Thank God I wasn't in that lane. Gotta be careful here. There's a fucking camera. And I got the real plates on. GG's. GG's in chat. What's behind me? I don't know, but let me get in front of you there, big dog. Appreciate that, my mud. Yeah, we see Wagwanin on this highway. Woo! Oh my God. She ready to fucking boogie, nigga. Okay. Sheesh. Damn. She's sneezing, boys. Allergy season out here, man. Don't. What's this pulling up here, boy? I gotta get out of this lane. Fuck. Oh. Y'all be able to hear it with the windows up? Let's see. A little bit. Not that bad. Oh, fuck! Hey, yo. Nah, these fucking... Bro, I don't know how y'all do it, bro. There's people out here lower than me driving on roads like this. I just could never understand, bro. Sheesh. God. Can you blow my whistle, baby? Whistle, baby, let me know. Damn! This car is so much fucking fun, oh my God. Over here. There we go. Sheesh. But did I need this? What the fuck? Fucking bottle in the middle of the road? Jesus Christ. Alright. opportunities. Uneven surface approaching. Thanks, Beam. Alright, y'all. I just got home. Parked up. Put these on a little bit. Take a few pictures of the car, because why the fuck not? You know what I mean? See if I can get this thumbnail for y'all. Okay. There we go. Alright, there you go. So this was a short vid. I'm probably gonna end the video off here. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, you know, all that good shit, man. Support your boy. He upcoming, bro. He coming up. Yeah, man, I'm about to drop more bangers like this, man. So just keep supporting me, bro. That's about it. Appreciate y'all. Chef out, yo.